Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English learning story. Today, we will improve our English with a simple and emotional story. Listen carefully. Read every sentence and repeat after me. Do not worry about mistakes. Just enjoy the story. Are you ready? Let's begin the story.
Her name was Riya. She was 22 years old. She lived in a busy city. The city was always loud. Cars, buses, people, always moving. Riya was a quiet girl. She liked simple things. She loved reading books. She loved rainy days. Rain made her feel calm. Rain made her think about life. She worked in a small cafe. The cafe was near a train station. Many people came every day. Riya always smiled at customers. She said, "Hello." She said, "Thank you." But inside, she often felt lonely. She lived alone in a small apartment. She had no close friends in the city. Sometimes at night, she sat by the window. She watched the rain. She whispered softly, "I wish someone understood me." She did not know. Her life was about to change. It was a cold evening. Dark clouds filled the sky. Riya was closing the cafe. She cleaned the tables. She turned off the lights. Her boss said, "Riya, go home early. A big storm is coming." Riya nodded. "Okay." She stepped outside. The wind was strong. The sky was very dark. And suddenly, it started raining heavily. Riya opened her bag. "Oh no," she said softly. She forgot her umbrella. She looked around. People were running. Cars were moving fast. She sighed. "I have to walk," she said. She started walking in the rain. Her clothes became wet. Her hair stuck to her face. But something strange happened next. She noticed someone standing under a streetlight. A young man. He was holding an umbrella. He was not moving. He was just standing there, watching the rain. Riya walked past him. Then she heard a voice behind her. "Excuse me." She stopped. She turned around slowly. Her heart started beating fast. The man walked closer. "Do you need an umbrella?" he asked. Riya was surprised. "No, it's okay," she said softly. But the rain became heavier. The man smiled. "It's not okay. You will get sick." He held the umbrella over her. Riya looked at him. For a moment, she did not speak. Then she said, "Thank you." That was the beginning of everything. They started walking together. The umbrella was small. They had to walk very close. Riya felt nervous. She did not talk much with strangers. The man said, "My name is Arav." Riya replied, "I'm Riya." Arav smiled. "Nice to meet you, Riya." There was silence for a moment. Then Arav said, "You work at that cafe, right?" Riya looked surprised. "Yes? How do you know?" "I see you every day," he said. Riya's eyes widened. "Really?" Arav nodded. "But you always look busy." Riya smiled a little. They kept walking. The rain hit the umbrella loudly. Tap, tap, tap. Riya said, "Where are you going?" Arav replied, "Nowhere special. I like walking in the rain." Riya smiled. Me too. They both laughed softly. But something strange happened next. A strong wind blew. The umbrella moved. Water splashed on them. Riya laughed. Oh no! Arav laughed too. This umbrella is not very strong. They kept walking anyway. After some time, they reached a small bus stop. Let's wait here, Arav said. They stood close together. The rain was still heavy. Riya looked at the road. Cars passed quickly. Then she said softly, "Thank you for helping me." Arav looked at her. "You don't have to thank me." "But I do," she said. There was silence again. Then Arav asked, "Do you always walk alone?" Riya hesitated. "Yes, mostly." "Why?" he asked. Riya looked down. "I don't have many friends here." Arav nodded slowly. "I understand," he said. Riya looked at him. "Really?" He smiled a little. "Yes, I feel the same." For the first time, Riya felt someone understood her. But something unexpected happened next. A bus arrived suddenly. "Is this your bus?" Arav asked. Riya looked at it. "Yes, it is." She stepped forward. Then she stopped. She turned back. "What about you?" she asked. Arav smiled. "I'll stay here." Riya felt something strange in her heart. She wanted to say something, but she didn't know what. The bus driver shouted, "Hurry up!" Riya quickly got on the bus. She looked back through the window. Arav was still standing there, under the rain, holding the umbrella, looking at her. And then, the bus moved. Riya sat by the window. Her heart was beating fast. She whispered, "Why do I feel like this?" She looked outside. The rain blurred everything. She could not see Arav anymore. The next day, Riya went to work early. She kept looking at the door. Every time it opened, she looked up quickly. But Arav did not come. Hours passed. Riya felt disappointed. Maybe I will never see him again, she thought. Days passed. No Arav. Riya felt sad. She stood near the window one evening. It started raining again. Her heart remembered that night. She whispered, "I wish I could see him again." Then suddenly, the cafe door opened. Riya turned around quickly. Her heart started beating fast again. It was him, Arav. He was standing there, smiling. Riya could not believe it. "You came," she said softly. Arav walked closer. "Of course I came." Riya smiled. They talked for a long time. Days turned into weeks. They met often. They laughed. They shared stories. Riya felt happy, truly happy. But something unexpected happened next. One evening, Arav looked serious. "Riya, I need to tell you something," he said. Riya felt nervous. "What is it?" Arav looked down. "I am leaving the city." Riya froze. "What?" "I got a job in another country," he said. Riya's eyes filled with tears. "When?" she asked. "Tomorrow." Riya could not speak. Everything felt heavy. "Why didn't you tell me earlier?" she asked. Arav said softly, "I didn't know how." Riya stepped back. Her heart felt broken. Tomorrow? She whispered. Arav nodded. There was silence. Then Riya said, Then, this is goodbye? Arav looked at her. I don't want it to be. But Riya turned away. I can't do this, she said.
She walked out of the cafe. The rain had started again. She walked fast. Her tears mixed with the rain. She did not stop. She did not look back. But something happened next. Arav ran after her. Riya, wait! She stopped, but she did not turn around. Arav stood behind her. I don't want to lose you, he said. Riya closed her eyes. Then why are you leaving? Arav said softly. Because I have to, but that doesn't mean I want to lose you. Riya turned slowly. Her eyes were full of tears. What are we then? She asked. Arav stepped closer. We are something important, he said. Riya's heart hurt. She whispered, I'm scared. Arav held the umbrella over both of them. Me too, he said. That moment felt like everything and nothing at the same time. The next morning, Riya went to the airport. She stood far away. She saw Arav with his bag. He looked around, as if searching for someone. Riya took a deep breath. Then she walked toward him. Arav, she said softly. He turned quickly. Riya! He smiled, but his eyes were emotional. I thought you wouldn't come, he said. Riya looked at him. I almost didn't, she replied. They stood in silence. Then Riya said, I don't know what will happen. Arav nodded. Me too. But I don't want to run away, she said. Arav smiled. Neither do I. Riya took a deep breath. Let's not say goodbye, she said. Let's say, see you again. Arav's eyes became bright. See you again, he repeated. They both smiled. The announcement came. Final call for boarding. Arav looked at her. I will come back, he said. Riya nodded. I'll be here, she said. They did not hug. They did not cry loudly. But their eyes said everything. Arav turned and walked away. Riya watched him go. Her heart felt heavy, but also full. That night, it started raining again. Riya stood by her window. She held an umbrella in her hand. She smiled softly. She whispered, That night, I only needed an umbrella, but I found something much more beautiful. I found a connection. I found a feeling. I found a story I will never forget. Great job listening to the story till the end. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to English Speaking Zone for more easy and beautiful English stories. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next story.